Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Marvel Rivals keeps crashing and freezing on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to update the graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make the graphics card up to date guys. After that, just close stuff here. Method 2, you just need to verify game files. To do this, right click on the game and select properties. Select install files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting done, just close stuff here. Method 3, you just need to disable overlays. Overlays from applications like Discord, Steam or GeForce Experience can interfere with the game. You just need to disable overlays from all of these programs and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to adjust in-game graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings can improve stability, especially if your hardware struggles to handle high settings. To do this, launch the Marvel Rivals and go to settings and go to graphics settings and reduce the texture quality, shadows, anti-aliasing, disable VSync if enabled. Fifth method, you just need to run the game as administrator and disable full screen optimizations. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the game and select properties. Select install files and select browse. And now you just need to right click on the game exe file and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and you just need to check mark disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. After that, select apply and OK for changes. Now you can launch the game from here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 6, you just need to update DirectX and Visual C++ D distributables. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link. Download the DirectX and scroll down and download the Visual C++, depends on where system bit. After downloading it, you just need to install it. Seventh method, you just need to disable background applications. Close unnecessary programs that may consume system resources or conflict with the game. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, you just need to end task for unused apps like browser, screen recording software, antivirus temporarily. After that, just close stuff here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 8, you just need to check power settings. Ensure your PC is set to high performance mode. To do this, go to switch menu and type power options. Comes up, choose a power plan. Click on open it. In here, you just need to expand this show additional plans and select a high performance in this list. After that, just close stuff here. Now you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.